All right.
Here we go again. Another busy courtroom day with Judge Middleton, who literally doesn't even get off the bench before the next round starts. You can feel the grind of justice in real time here. No fancy edits, no breaks, just raw, non-stop court reality. And that's exactly why viewers love this courtroom. It's not scripted drama. It's the real system at work.
All right, we're gonna go back to work here. I never actually even got off the bench. We shut the camera off for a bit, and the prosecutor brought me some more pretrial results. And according to bailiff Michelle, we got a hallway full of people still out there, so I guess we got a ways to go. But let me pull these out. Miss Westcomb, could you come up to the podium? Give me a minute. Kaylynn. I want to look at your driving record. Your driving record is
Now, this charge, no operator's license ever acquired. Sounds simple, but it's actually more serious than people realize. It means she never legally obtained a driver's license in the first place. Not just that she forgot it. In Michigan, this falls under Section 257.904A, which can land you in jail for up to 90 days. The prosecutor dropping it down to no license in possession is a major win. That's the kind of plea deal that save your record and your insurance rate.
nothing on it. All right, this is Kaylin M. Westcomb, and we met. You got charged with no operator's license ever acquired, which is under 257.904A, which is like a subdivision of driving suspended. It's punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Prosecutors agreed to reduce this to a charge of no operator's license in possession. That one carries no points. It does go on your driving record, but it doesn't carry any points. It's punishable by a fine of up to $100, up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand?
Yes,
And are you going to plead to that lesser charge of no ops in possession?
guilty.
Okay. Anybody threaten you to get you to do that?
No,
Promise you anything?
no,
To understand that if you do plead to this charge, you and Miss Beidelman will both be giving up your right to have a trial in front of a judge or jury. There will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
If you had a trial, you'd have the right to be represented by an attorney. You could hire one of your own choosing, or you could ask me to appoint one. This is under 257.311 of the Motor Vehicle Code. If you had a trial, you'd have the right to take the witness stand and testify on your own behalf, but you don't have to because you have a right not to testify. And if you did not wish to testify, the judge or jury cannot hold your silence against you. You have your right to be presumed innocent, and you have the right to have any of the witnesses subpoenaed to testify. Uh, Were you driving a car here on July 23rd?
Yes.
And did you not have a valid license in your possession?
I didn't have my license on me, no.
All right. Are you trying to get it now?
I do have my license now.
Oh, very good. Very good.
You can tell the judge appreciates when defendants fix their mistakes before court. She got her license, showed responsibility, and that actually earned her a reduced fine. It's these little moments that show judges aren't out to punish. They're looking for accountability. Kind of refreshing, right?
I'm surprised they didn't reduce it further, but maybe they had some reasons. I don't think this will cost your license. It's just no ops in possession. Now, you lived in Three Rivers, then you lived in Portage. Now I show a 4th Street address. Is that where you live?
Yeah, that's my house.
Okay. And what do? You told me, but I don't remember.
I'm a manager at Applebee's.
Okay. And I asked you about my friend, Mr. Valentine, and how's he doing?
He's doing good.
Well, I'm glad to hear it. All right, I'm gonna give you a $75 fine, a $75 crime victims' rights fee. I reduced it from 100 to 75 because you actually have your license. So that's $200. Do you need time to pay that?
No.
You pay it now?
Yeah.
Very good. A lot of people are paying today. Your sweatshirt says Longboat Key. Have you been there?
No, I got this from a friend.
No, Longboat Key is real rich people, which doesn't include me. When you get on it, you can't see anything. It's directly north of Siesta Key. It's pretty, it's long, and it's full of rich people who have walls. So you can drive down the middle of it, but you can't see the ocean on either side. Because it's full of rich people that don't want to share their ocean with everybody else. Siesta Key is more egalitarian. All right, Ms. Westcomb. I'm glad you got your permit. You're good to go. And court officer will take you out there. You can pay the fine, and good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Beidelman.
Now here comes Michelle Lynn Bleman with basically the same charge, but notice how each case plays out differently. That's courtroom chess for you. Same board, same rules, different moves. And the judge? He's a referee, storyteller, and teacher all in one.
This is file 251343ST, Michelle Lynn Beidelman. You got charged no proof of insurance, which they've dismissed, and driving without a valid operator's license, same charge as the last one. In your case, they've cut a slightly better deal, allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code. That one carries no points, doesn't get abstracted to your license. Do you understand the charge?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you to get you to plead to that
No.
or promise you anything?
No.
All right, where were you going?
I was on my way to work.
Where do you work?
American Axle.
Got a lot of Axle folks lately. One time they had 2,400 employees when they were hydromatic here in St. Joe County, and you couldn't swing a cat without running into a American Axle or hydromatic. Now they got maybe 900. I never could have a jury without American Axle people, hydromatic people on it. Wasn't bad. They just were quite a cohort of people in our county.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Did you not have a valid license at that time?
No, I did not.
But you do now.
Yes.
Very good. All right. This won't affect your driving privileges. Which Beidelman family are you?
Marcellus.
Okay. Well, the civil infraction ticket's dismissed. That's going to save you $150, and that's not bad. The fine's $100. There's $125 of cost, so you owe $225. Can you pay that today, or do you need time to pay it?
No, I'm gonna need some time to pay it.
Can you pay within 30 days?
Yeah,
Make it due by October 10th.
okay.
Let me give you an envelope. 225 by 10, 10, 25. Are you missing work right now?
Unfortunately, yeah.
All right, get back to work. You can send in a certified check or money order, put a stamp on it.
Okay.
You can pay by credit card or just bring in some green cash. You could also pay in installments if you want to. You can't pay all of it. You can pay some of it. We'll take your money and apply it to the fine.
Okay.
All right, you're good to go.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, okay. Michelle's on her bailiff exercise program.
What's fascinating here is how Judge Milton treats these minor cases with real respect. He takes the time to explain the process, even jokes about rich people at Longboat Key. It's his way of keeping things human. Beneath all the paperwork and fines, this courtroom runs on empathy, patience, and a touch of dry humor. It's not glamorous justice. It's real justice.
Walking back and forth to the counter wearing a gun and everything else. All right, that was a couple cases resolved. And again, that's what a lot of these were. I can't be critical. In fact, they got set for a pretrial. They adjourned it to allow people to get their insurance and get their license. And many of these people are doing that. So that's worthwhile. I'm going to stay glued to the chair here for a minute because as soon as I get up, they're going to bring me somebody else. So far, that's 6 pleas from pretrials. Everything that's resolved at this thing. Hmm. I'm looking at Stingray Tom's pictures he sent me from Mackinac Island in 1899. It's amazing how much of it is still there now. They were already drawing tourists in 1899. in 1908. Very interesting. I'll look at that later. All right, we're on sort of standby here. As I indicated, there were 34 separate defendants, and I've dealt with 6. But we'll take a break.
And just like that, 6 down and dozens to go. Imagine handling 34 defendants in a single day. That's courtroom endurance at its peak. So, what do you think? Should more judges take this hands-on, real-world approach? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this courtroom never sleeps.
It's time. It's almost 10 o'clock. We'll come back when they bring us more customers. Maybe we'll let them